And rolling, action, sound up. Alright, so I got a new hack for you. I guess it's a hack, or would you call it a modification? So the wireless Go. If you use a lavalier, you get a little bit better sound, I think, but then you lose the true wireless ability. This is going to be a good test. I don't know if you can hear the rice rockets up on 224. The loud ones anyways. But hey, look, here's what I've done for my run and go stuff. So you can tell I'm hooked up wirelessly to the camera because you don't see any wires dangling, and I've got good sound to you. But look, nothing up my sleeve. Where is that microphone? Where is the wireless Go? Let me show you. Just like my other video, it's on my hat. So I've got it mounted here on the back where the little Velcro tie thing is. I've got the cable coiled up on the inside of the hat, and the lav is attached right here in the front. It's almost centered right there. So I get really good sound, and so now you could be, if you do it this way, you can be all the way across your garage, across your yard. If you're doing a four-wheeling video of something, you just set the tripod up and you can walk around wherever you want and pick up live sound, and you're not holding one of those big old, a monstrosity of a DSLR with the Rode microphone on top and the big furry cat on top of there. You just look kind of normal here, and it's a little bit less intimidating, and it's also a lot less to be holding in your hands, and then you can really focus and concentrate on what you're talking about. I really like this setup. Let me know what you think. Hit subscribe, hit thumbs up. See ya. Yeah, this is a good video. I should get like 1 million gazillion hits and subscribers off of this.